major storm capable of producing a tornado is located over Stanton or New York, moving north at 35 miles per hour.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware. Until 7:30
I'm not designed.
Come without shelter.
Locations impacted include Ellesmere, Newport, Greenville, Stanton, Pike Creek, Hutchinson, Ashland, North Star, Bear, and Brookside. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 5 to 10.
Until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware.
An interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling debris. A tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware.
Military analysts question